What's the meaning of closed season? Closed season. Closed season.
Closed season. Closed season. Closed season is a term used in relation to hunting, fishing, or other outdoor activities. It refers to a specific time period during which it is prohibited to engage in such activities in a particular area or for a certain species. The purpose of this restriction is to protect the environment and ensure the sustainability of natural resources. During a closed season, animals or plants can reproduce and grow undisturbed, allowing populations to replenish. This helps to maintain healthy ecosystems and ensures that future generations can enjoy these activities.